Hey guys, so tonight I'm making some jerk shrimp, and when I said jerk shrimp, I mean jerk shrimp with flavor. So I'm going to season my shrimp. I'm going to go in with some salt, black pepper. I'll be using some Walker's Road jerk seasoning. I'll be using the mild jerk seasoning. I'll be adding a little soy sauce as well, and I'll be searing my shrimp in some olive oil. So let's get the seasoning started. So I'm going in with some salt. The salt I'm using here is a light salt. And then I'm going to add some black pepper. Black pepper. Going in with my Walker's Road jerk seasoning. I'll be using a teaspoon. Of this jerk seasoning. I'm going to add a little soy sauce. I'm going to add a little of my olive oil.